कोडा की रिपोर्टिंग Good evening to all of you. I hope I'm audible and visible to all the students and all the candidates. If you can give me a yes or no. And I hope the noise aspect is also not there today. Just
Yes, you're audible.
audible and visible. Great. I'm just trying to change the screen so that it goes well. So just a minute, let me get this iPad working. It's not changing the screen. Okay, so the screen is not moving as of now. I'll just try to make changes, but the screensaver remains the same. So okay, so a very good evening to all of you, and I am Chartered Accountant Deepak Mulchandani here. I welcome all the Jan 26 passed out Chartered Accountants. Many congratulations to you. Few of you would have been there in the yesterday's session, so I will take it straight forward in terms of AMA. Ask me anything session which you want to have. So A, you all want to understand about campus. B, you want to understand about the profiles. C, you want to understand about the CTC, or any question which you have right now, you can straight away throw at me, and the options are available. You can simply unmute yourself and ask the question. In the meanwhile, once this web screen gets going, so I will also take you through all the FAQs related to ICI. Yeah, please. I think Gaurav has unmuted himself and he has a question. Gaurav, can you have the first question, please? And all others also can ask questions by typing into the chat box or into asking the questions by unmuting yourself. So Gaurav, you have a question? Hello. Okay, first question is, please give some clarity on CFA course. Okay, my articleship is restricted only towards okay. Who should do it and what's the cost involved and difficulty level? Okay, first, the cost involved and the difficulty level. The cost involved is secondary. First of all, the difficulty level say be important. Why do you want to pursue CFA? That's the first question. Chartered financial analyst. If somebody has told you will increase your package directly, that's not correct. It is only required at a level where you can have access to all the investment bankers, brokerage firms, and different level of investment advisory teams. Okay. Otherwise, your CFA capabilities are not required in any manufacturing organization, any service or banking financial services. So if that is your area, आपको वो करना है, then you can do this. Simply by saying I want to do this because everybody else is doing and I will get a better package, it's not the right answer. Correct? And even if you have some more question on the answer which I have given, please put it across or you can unmute and ask also. Levels 3 होते हैं बेटा. There are CFA scholarships also and the levels are very demanding. If you have been very good at financial management, that is AFM, then only think of about going it. And moreover, कोई भी degree लेने से पहले, before taking up a degree, you need to understand the compatibility, that whether it suits your career goals or not. I really appreciate and understand this has been only 6 days as of now. You have become a chartered accountant. A whole lot of advice and gyan are coming from all the people who have not done CA themselves, who do not have done the articleship exposure which you have. So it becomes very difficult for people like you to decide, and it's the problem is of plenty, and you get confused, you get bombarded with information. But right now the best approach is to keep absorbing everything and keep a note of it. Correct? One. Secondly, how you are good at something, how you are not good at something is something which you need to understand. If you have a liking towards direct taxes, that does not mean as a subject of direct tax you will be enjoying direct tax in practice. Because what happens in, you understand the full Income Tax Act when you appear for a DT paper. All thanks to Bhavar sir, he makes it very enjoyable. But the point is, once you go through the whole DT subject and when you come into practice, you will not be using the whole DT together. First thing. Secondly, you will be restricted to certain sections and certain lines of service. So you have to decide and keep it in mind that what exactly you are expecting out of. Liking a subject does not mean making a career. Let me tell it to you that way. If you like tallying balance sheets, that does not mean you are into a fit for finance and accounts. So that is something which you need to explore yourself. Now the next question from here connected comes is, how do I explore myself, sir? So in your articleship tenure of 3 years, I think most of you had your articleship of 3 years, if I am not wrong. Give me a yes or no. Because the 2-year generation is yet to come. They have got into articleship in last year itself. Now please understand, in these 3 years, you need to retrospectively look at your timesheet. Look at the work of busy season, income tax, GST, advisory work, what you have done. What gave you the most satisfying feel? What gave you the most satisfaction? For example, I really used to enjoy the client conversations on the report finalization. I thought this is the place. So I understood myself that I am a people's person. If you put me across as a system for 6 hours and on an Excel sheet and say churn numbers and data and bring out something, I am the last person to do that. So सबका अपना अपना एक trait होता है. All of us have traits. Nobody will come and tell you your trait. You need to explore yourself and identify that what trait you have. Correct? Gaurav, I hope I have been able to give an answer to your question. That was first. Second, Priya, if I like the subject AFM and my exposure of articleship is only restricted to statutory audit and now I want to switch domain, I should be, which domain should I be applying for? Everything is open for you. Beta, nothing as such here is Priya restricting you right now because you are a chartered accountant. Please come out of this inferiority complex of chartered accountants that मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. Boss, you are amongst those 7,590 who have cleared the exams out of 23,000 people. Okay, so you are something. You are amongst those literally only 5 lakh classy brains of this country. But the Instagrams, the YouTubes and the LinkedIns make you feel that you have got nothing to do. People come out with various scary datas. ICI campus mein only 40% got a job. ICI campus mein many of the people didn't take and you have to go for off campus. It's fine. But why is not nobody telling you that the people who did not get an offer in ICI campus finally got a place? How many of you are seeing brutally unemployed chartered accountants? Please understand, brutally unemployed means 5-2 साल से काम ही नहीं मिला है. ऐसा तो एक भी नहीं मिलेगा आपको. I'll tell you, you are right now into a peer pressure and societal pressure. Everybody now within 1 month or so after the ICI campus gets over, everybody will start posting their joinings. A welcome kit on LinkedIn. This I have got placed, I have done this. All thanks. Correct? So you start getting sabki naukri lag rahi hai, everybody is getting a job, I am only unemployed, and then you start getting that inferiority complex that I have not done anything. ऐसा नहीं है. Correct? So please make sure it does not happen that way. My first point. Secondly, sooner or later everybody finds it. एक बात बताओ, one simple line you can take away right now is, You took 4.5 years to become a chartered accountant on an average. So if something which takes 4.5 years to complete, if it takes 4 years to complete, and if you take another 4 months to decide and go into something, is there any problem in that? Are you supposed to pay your installment tomorrow? Are you supposed to bring meal on your table tomorrow, or pay the rent? No. We all are coming with a decent background in terms of understanding. I can bear for 4.5 years without earning, so I can bear for another 2 months, so that let me decide and understand what is on the plate and then take a decision. Doesn't it make sense? Hello. If a like or an emoji comes in, so I understand that I'm making sense. Hello. Are we all there?
Yes, sir.
Making sense, Avinash?
Yes, sir, it makes sense.
Yes. Okay. So now Hitesh has got a point. How typically campus placements take place and how should we prepare for the aptitude and psychometric tests? Very valid question. Now the screen is also working. I will take you through all the frequently asked questions of ICAI, and then I'll share that link also with all of you so that you can refer. It's a very simple thing. You have to fill up a form. You have to fill up a form and go to this particular website, CMIB ICAI. Correct? So members of business and this you will come in. Okay. So now here is the website where you can apply, cmibici.org. And here if you can see, ICAI Call Sahayata has got certain set of FAQs. Correct. So once you have got those FAQs, let me open that for you. These are the FAQs. This FAQ will help you. So you need to understand where it is coming from, ICAIcallsahayata.org. So how the campus placement system works, you register on the website, you upload your CV, they will ask you all your details, 10th, 12th, graduation. Now 2-3 points will come in. Graduation, most of them would have done and did not report to ICAI. So a condonation of delay form will needs to be fulfilled, 112 if I am not wrong. And then condonation of delay happens and you need to pay a penalty because आपने time से उनको बताया नहीं था. Nothing major happens. Pay that 1000 and get yourself graduated, applied, because your data will be shared with the recruiters, and many of the recruiters have this requirement that a graduation has been done or not. Correct? So don't be afraid on paying that 1000 rupees and getting that condonation of delay done and get your graduation details included for those people who have hidden this fact from ICAI. A. B. Sir, can I fudge the number of attempts which I have given? I have taken 5 attempts but I will not be showing them. This will not help. You will get caught. Correct? All the recruiters are smart enough that they know that how many attempts you were eligible for. And now the question comes in, sir, I was eligible for May 25, but I didn't appear. November 25 also I did not appear. I gave it in Jan 26. So how many attempts are counted? 3. But sir, I attempted on 1 only. Counted is 3 because you were eligible. So it is eligible attempts. Got my point? Can you give me like this something on the screen so I understand that you are able to make some sense? Yes, so I need to understand, yes, that you all are listening. Okay. So then your CVs, this is the whole process is here. If you want, I can show you. 1500 ka fees you have to say, and you have to select a location. Okay. Those who are eligible. So Diksha, your question is getting answered now. Those who have cleared the chartered accountancy exam and have completed articleship are eligible to be participating in this campus. Okay. If you are a first attempt pass out chartered accountant, your articleship is not getting over the campus before the campus placements. So then you can go to the next one and you will be eligible. But here is the question number 6. See. So Diksha, your question is answered here. Question number 6. So continuing with Hitesh's question number 1. You need to register, you need to upload your CV, you need to give all the details. Correct? Once you give all these details, what will happen? Your data will be shared with the employer, all the companies. And once those companies see your data, they do shortlistings. How many shortlistings can be done? Sir, 10 times. For example, I have got 10 vacancies, I can shortlist 100 people. Okay? Got it? So for every position, they will have 10 people coming in. They cannot shortlist more than 10. So if you are shortlisted, then you are amongst those 10. And then this is the first round thing which will happen. It happens in 2 rounds. So sometimes happens ki first round mein they have given and then you are asked to give consent. So what will happen is once you go to the portal, submit your profile, pay the fee, you will get a center code allocated to you. And once that center code is allocated to you, then you are set. Now the firms will see, the companies will see your profile, they will shortlist you. Once they shortlist, you will get an intimation on the portal that following companies have shortlisted you. You need to give consent. You can give 4 consents. Okay. So you are eligible to appear into at least 4. So you may be shortlisted by 8, but you are eligible to appear in 4. So out of those 4, what happens is every company will also upload a basic job detail, the CTC details and the location. Correct? So that you see and decide and give a consent. Okay, this is what I am going to appear for, and then prepare accordingly. Any doubts in the process till now? So first round of shortlisting hota hai, and then the second round comes in. If the company doesn't get all the 10 people, so then they can do a second round of shortlisting. So second round of shortlisting also happens. So ho sakta hai today you are seeing only 5 companies. Till the last day you may see another 2 companies, but you may say that मैंने तो 4 को already consent दे दिया है. So sometimes you have to be very cautious and judicious while selecting all the clients. Oh sorry, all the companies. Correct? यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम? So Sudiksha, I think the campus activity is going to happen in 13th, 14th April onwards. So you can sit for that, because by the time you complete your articleship, then you sit for campus, your eligibility to join will come in, beta. Okay, there are certain companies, I'll tell you, the criteria is not decided by ICI of number of attempts. That question is also here. I'll show you. Okay, be very particular about selecting your mobile numbers, email IDs. Be very clear and be very cautious. Correct? Okay. Now I am coming to Atharva Birari's question. I told you, if you are eligible for September 25, you did not give it and appeared in Jan 26, this is 2 attempts. So up to 3 to 4 attempts now, there will not be a problem, because every year there are 3 attempts now. Now onwards. So the companies also have to take up a decision कि number of attempts अभी तक 4 पे चलते थे, अभी तक 3 पे चलते थे. They have to take 4, because every 2 months you are going to give an exam now. Every 4 months. So in 4 months, 2 months takes the results, and after the results you only have 2 months in your hand to appear for the next exam. So the companies also need to now make this change. But let me tell you, HRs को थोड़ा लेट समझ में आने वाला है ये. They will not understand it immediately. They will take another 3 or 6 months to understand that the system has changed. There are more than 2 attempts available in a year. So they will take time. तो अभी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आएगा. अच्छा, in terms of attempt criteria, there are a lot of hue and cry which goes everywhere. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. Attempt criteria का जो भी सिस्टम है, that is decided by the employer. ये देखो, read question number 20 along with me. Sorry, FAQ 20 along with me. Yes. Are you done with this? So please do not blame ICAI. Before posting anything negative about ICAI on LinkedIn, please understand they are pretty clear. Any doubts on this? Clear. Nikunj, we don't get a lot of companies which are coming for which location in campus. How do we make a decision as to which location to opt for campus? Is there a way we can figure out city-wise company details? See, basically large city and small city bifurcation is there, Nikunj. In large city and small city bifurcation, just a minute, Gaurav. If large city and small city bifurcation is a large city, they have got 4 or 5 cities, and they are the big recruiters: Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore.
Yeah.
It's there. Let me just show you.
It's Ahmedabad, Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune.
Correct. I hope you have opened up this particular FAQ along with this. So this FAQ is the gold standard of anything. Please understand.
But
Rather
like
than
my
going away
concern is,
here,
as we
sir,
don't have a breakup or a list, which city has which company. It's
आएगा
not
वो.
like
नहीं, that will come in. वो आएगा. कौन कौन सी कंपनी पार्टिसिपेट कर रही है वो निकल के आता है बेटा. They share it. It will come
But
on
we
to
have
CMIB portal.
just to be clarified, हम लोग को तो पहले सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा ना कौन सा सिटी we need.
See, best is one big city, one small city.
वही तो करने one big city कौन सा? Like for example, I am from Kolkata. Kolkata from the past trends, many big companies hasn't come there.
See, I'll tell you. See, you will get maximum opportunities in Mumbai,
Yeah.
Bangalore and Delhi, Ahmedabad and Pune. I'll tell you why. The IT hub, the financial hub is basically Mumbai and Bangalore,
Okay.
and Delhi being the capital. And Pune feeds basically Mumbai and Ahmedabad also. So this belt will have more vacancies coming in because companies are there. You being from Kolkata, you will always have a liking कि कोलकाता में ही कुछ मिल जाए.
No, I am open to other locations.
So I am just
I want
giving
to-
you that कि हाँ.
Yeah.
So basically I have always seen कोलकाता वाला बोलता है भाई मेरे को कोलकाता में मिल जाए तो nothing like it. Because I have been to Kolkata, I have worked there, so मुझे मालूम है वो जितना relaxed कोलकाता है ना उतना बाकी cities नहीं है.
Agree.
So आप उन cities में try करो फिर बेटा. Basically जो large cities हैं वो that will help you better.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Come with more questions. Otherwise मैं नए क्वेश्चन बनाना चालू करता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
या श्रद्धाशीष.
सर जो कट ऑफ डेट है आर्टिकलशिप का,
यस,
जो आर्टिकलशिप कंप्लीट का, वो कट ऑफ डेट अभी के प्लेसमेंट के लिए कौन सा है?
आपके आईसीआई कैंपस से पहले ये देखो, ये रहा. कट ऑफ डेट विल बी अवेलेबल इन द अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ दैट कैंपस प्रोग्राम. तो अभी कैंपस प्रोग्राम का जो अनाउंसमेंट आएगा ना तो उसके अंदर वो डेट स्पेसिफिकली देंगे कि यहां तक कि जिसकी आर्टिकलशिप कंप्लीट हो रही है दे आर एलिजिबल टू सिट इनटू दैट पर्टिकुलर कैंपस. और घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये सब हम लोग सिर्फ आईसीआई कैंपस का बात कर रहे हैं. वी आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट आईसीआई कैंपस राइट नाउ. ओके. Whole lot of loads of opportunities will come off campus, and there this restriction is not there to participate in off campus. Correct?
Okay, sir. Sir, can I ask question out of that campus placement?
Please.
Sir, actually, my question is like before result, I was clear that I will go to management consultant positions, but after the results, then I after the suggestions I get, and I am in dilemma that what will I go for? Like for investment banking, management consultant, and my exposure in articleship was in statutory audit only. But I am pretty sure that I will not go to statutory audit because I am sure that I will be in some consultancy positions because I am good at problem solving. And I don't want to be hectic in numbers and investment banking positions because I know someone in investment banking. They said they are very hectic. Their timing is very hectic and uh, their work-life balance is not good. That's what I'm in
So what
dilemma. That why.
exactly, Sadhasi, sorry to interrupt you. So you want a
Yes, sir.
9 to 5 job with a great package and Saturday Sunday off.
Might be that, but I
So
know
it's
that I
not,
will
it does
not.
not exist. Let me tell you that it does not exist.
Okay,
Let
sir.
me be very
So
clear. See, this session is not to make you happy.
okay, sir.
This session is to make you realize the reality. Correct?
So actually,
So
I just want to know more about management consultancy position. Like, what is the bifurcation in between that management consultant positions, like strategy, planning, in
did you attend my session
implementation?
yesterday? Did you attend my
No,
session
sir.
yesterday? I
Sir, unfortunately, I didn't.
So there is a recording available. I hope you got my invite through the WhatsApp group or the Telegram link or the email.
I
Am I
mean,
correct?
I'm in the Telegram group.
Yeah. So D2P Degree to Placements Telegram group, you are there, na?
Yes, sir.
So I'll share the link and I'll upload it on YouTube. The moment you say management consulting, it becomes a very big word. Under management consulting, there are various things which happens. So if you want to get
Okay.
into a McKinsey or a Bain or a BCG, so they only go and consult people who have already done articles in Big Four or have got a Big Four
Yes,
industrial experience or a MNC industrial experience. So a normal chartered
exactly.
accountant simply going and applying there day one is not considered. Let me be very honest with you.
Yes, I know, sir. They're
So
they're pretty much inclined into rankers and
correct.
Big Four.
So what
Yes.
will happen is if you have not got that, so if you really want to make a place there, then you have to develop yourself first, spend some time into doing some good quality audit work or some other work in a bigger MNC firm where you are groomed to pitch there.
Okay.
And if you even go into, let's say, strategic advisory or let's say this FDD, due diligence kind of positions in Big Fours also. So they want, I
Yes.
said in my yesterday session, they want purely statutory audit listed client exposure.
Okay. So my statutory audit domain is also open for that management consultant positions after
I,
some times. If I go in,
yes. Let me be very clear. Listed clients of statutory audit. Okay. If you are
okay,
doing just simple statutory audit, no, listed clients will help.
so that I can, if in few after some months I am into Big Four and then go into statutory audit domain, then after few years I can also join management consultant positions in
Correct. The
other.
way you progress, the way you understand the stat audit domain, and then way you start working, you will definitely get
Okay.
that.
So it will not close the management consultant
No,
positions
no, no. Management
if I
consulting
join
is an
statutory.
open thing. The more you are experienced, the more they are happy to have you. देखो कल्चर समझना पड़ता है द वे थिंग्स आर डन दे आर नॉट बिकॉज इन मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग द टाइमलाइंस आर वेरी टाइट फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम इनटू फाइनेंशियल ड्यू डिलिजेंस आई नीड टू गिव अ रिपोर्ट इन 7 days that on the buy side or the sell side of the client, so then I can't train you at that point of time. I want you already trained straight away onto the job. तो वो थोड़ा सीखोगे,
Okay.
then only they will take you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I got I got
Sure.
it.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
And
Good evening,
Samsung,
sir.
yeah. Avinash Singh, please.
Yes, sir. I want to know about which sector is more beneficial in long run, financial sector or non-financial sector. Actually, I have the exposure in statutory audit of non-financial entities, basically with the government PSUs. So someone has told that this non-financial sector statutory audit are getting more riskier and dying day by day.
So you are
So
not
someone has
signing the balance sheet, dear.
yes,
Are
sir.
you
Means
are you going to sign the balance sheet tomorrow? No. The partner who is
no.
signing the balance sheet will get into trouble if he plays around with something. देखो audit will
Okay,
stay.
sir.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Companies will need to be audited. That is for sure. So taking the basis की risky हो गया है. Please understand. You try to take a clue. आप मैं एक बहुत सिंपल एनालॉजी रखता हूँ. Just simply put an analogy. Your first episode of first season in
Yes,
a
sir.
web series cannot be compared with somebody's season 4th episode 5.
Definitely, sir.
So Avinash, you are trying to get information from people who are into work. They would be in a different mindset. they would have cleared CA 10-20 years ago,
Yes, sir.
and now they are trying to advise you on the changing scenario, which is not the right thing. And purely if they are only into practice, पूरा दुनिया देखना पड़ता है, टेक क्या कर रही है, how things are changing. So yesterday's session, I specifically, I don't know you were there or not, but in yesterday's session I clearly mentioned that ERP consulting, tech risk consulting is something which is going to be a very big area for chartered accountants, because we are the only breed who understand financial, technical, commercial, legal combined at the same point of time.
Yes, sir.
So it's not the case that statutory audit is going to get finished. Yes, the methodology of working in stat audit is undergoing a lot of change, and those people who are not able to keep up, they are finding it risky.
Okay, sir.
Attitude का difference होता है अविनाश. It's not that everything is risky, dear. ऐसे तो you advise somebody on income tax and the person makes a loss, so what will happen? Somebody advises you on portfolio services or investment and the market tanks, what happens? तो वो the basis point which you are taking ना कि statutory audit is becoming riskier, that's not the right point.
So, which one sector is more lucrative in the future, financial sector or non-financial sector, sir?
Financial sector, 2 दिन पहले, if you are aware, I discussed this yesterday also, Anthropic Claude, the AI tool, has brought a lot of things which is going to streamline. Have you heard about this?
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे अभी मुझे फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज थोड़ी सी और ज्यादा ऑटोमेट होती हुई दिख रही है. The biggest exposure you will always get in manufacturing companies. ये मैंने कल भी रिपीट करा था. I am repeating it what I said yesterday. Raw material, finished goods, inventory, movement. The complication level is high. So the learning is also high. And these things cannot be immediately brought into machine. मतलब into AI.
Yes.
ये भी एक point देखो. So way forward, Avinash, what we need to all develop is that our presence should be important. People would need us. So those kind of skills which you need to develop also going way forward. ऐसा भी सोच के चलो.
Okay, sir.
अभी my simple advice to all of you is you are not even 150 hours old into becoming a chartered accountant. एक हफ्ता भी नहीं हुआ है अभी, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Slow and gradually, please start understanding things. Try to develop a particular template in your own Excel sheet that what one field is saying, what other field is saying. In the meanwhile, you will have World Cup to attend, you will have party to attend, you will have girlfriend or boyfriend commitments, you will have some Samman Samaro and felicitation ceremonies to attend. Many of the things will go at the same point of time. It is you who has to make a decision for your own self. So sometimes you need to sit quietly, compare everything, then come to a conclusion कि मैं ये क्यों सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. जितना कैपिटल बजटिंग किया है, एनपीवीज आईआरआर्स निकाले हैं, and then after all the qualitative factors you have taken up a decision while solving questions in CA exams. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So the same thing, Avinash, we need to do with our career also.
Okay, sir.
Correct? And please, all of you, let me tell all of you, none of you are required to get scared. Nobody can take this degree away from you now. This will not evaporate. So be relaxed on this part, that you have done the hardest work.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I have a question. I want to, like, my preference is to go to ENY India in a stat audit domain, but my articleship is like from small size firm, and there is a transfer also. Like before transfer, in first firm I have worked on internal audit, but in the second firm in which I have taken transferred, I have worked like mixed kind of work because it's a small size of firm, and I have cleared final with 5 attempts. So
Okay.
what what kind of roadmap I should follow, or like how would I proceed so that I can reach ENY in India in a stat audit domain? Will you please guide me?
So you got 2 articleship firms and total 5 attempts. That is what you want to say?
Yeah.
Okay. So 2 articleships and 5 attempts.
Two
Uh,
articleship. Actually,
well,
two articleship. But in a first articleship, I have worked on internal audit. There is specific domain. But in a second articleship, I have I have joined a small size firm. So I've not got exposure as much. I have done like mixed kind of work, like all type of
that is
small.
okay. Everybody, I think you were not there yesterday in the session, Rajkumar, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
So
I was
yesterday I
not there.
told that whenever you go into Big Fours do not expect totally the same exposure from the field in which they are hiring you. What they expect from you is basically understanding and articulation skills. Whatever work you have done in a smaller firm will not match to the requirements of the big four firms, because they have their own methodology, they have their own methods. What they expect is you should not be knowing their systems, but you should be knowing the concepts properly. So if whatever you write in your CV makes a big difference. Understood? So whatever you
Yes,
write in
sir.
your CV will make a big difference. You should be able to explain and articulate based on that. For example, if you said that I have done an audit of a limited company, so
Yeah.
then this is a very open-ended statement in a CV. But what will you say? I have led a team from for a limited company having a turnover of 250 crores. Correct? Then they will ask you what business did the company do? What areas did you check? So if you say I have checked revenue, so they will ask you as per Ind AS 115. Am I correct? Revenue, Ind AS 115.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what all did you check based on the nature of business which they have? So you should be able to explain those things to them. Please
And
understand, अगर आपके दिमाग में ये fear है कि they will ask some rocket science questions which you have never seen, it is not the case. They have a paper in front of them which is called your CV, which you have prepared. They will first check that whether you are able to communicate in English properly. One. Second, whatever work you have written, are you able to explain properly? Are you able to make sure that all the relevant technical provisions, sections, subsections related to your work, you know that or not? So this will
okay.
display your understanding of the business, understanding of your work that is needed. Please don't expect questions out of the world from them. So you first of all have to take out your fear saying that I did my articleship from a smaller firm. Everybody comes from that only. Even I worked in a sole proprietor firm, let me tell you.
Okay.
But I was able to make it. If you are able to articulate your thoughts well, put your understanding properly, that's more than enough.
And one more thing, that is in case of statutory audit, I have worked on a financials like which are generally prepared as per accounting standards, not Ind AS. Yeah, I have the knowledge of Ind AS because I have studied in the final, but I have not worked on that actually. So how do I manage this thing?
Come again with the question.
My question is, in the articleship, I have audited financials of entities which follows accounting standards and not Ind AS. So I have followed accounting standards during the audit, but not Ind AS. But I have studied in final Ind AS. So I have the theoretical knowledge of all the Ind AS, like Ind AS 115 or whatever, Ind AS 116. But a practical, if they ask for application of those Ind AS, then
So
how do I?
how much is the difference, Rajkumar? Tell me in AS or Ind AS in terms of applicability. Do you think they are 90-degree apart from each other or small minor changes are there? You tell me.
No, the small changes.
So then
There's
why
no.
are you worried? At the end of the day, disclosure और notes to accounts में point तो वैसे ही आएगा.
Huh. Like there is a difference between AS9 revenue in revenue recognition and 115. There's a different approach. Like so low. Like if recruiter
So the
if
way
she.
honestly you told me this thing,
Huh.
that honesty you need to display in interview to the interviewer also. Well, sir, my exposure has been to entities who did not adopt Ind AS, but I know in Ind AS it will be dealt this way, and in AS it will be dealt this way. That if you tell, he should be convinced.
Okay.
Correct? Yes. More questions, please. Okay, Gaurav says, I will share this PDF, no problems on that. Okay, Gaurav asks, if I am not planning to get a job just yet, should I still sit in campus placements for the experience? Why not? You should go and you should sit in the campus. You should at least know, pata to chalega, boss, you all have been into your rooms since last 6 to 8 months, preparing only for CA final exams. Your exposure has been very limited. AI ने पूरा दुनिया बदल दिया पिछले 5 महीने में. आप लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजें पता ही नहीं है अभी. So what is wrong in that if you go and sit? I always prefer you should go to the orientation also. So orientation, many people start calculating कि पैसे खर्च हो जाएंगे, जाके आने में क्या होगा. It should not be the case. It is an investment, friends. You should go meet people. You should understand what people are thinking about. Once you see that near around you, there are so many people doing the same stuff, then you realize what? Because right now you are pampered. You are the Rajkumar and the Rajkumari of your family. As of now. So you need to be... If you are so confident that you don't want to get a job yet, off campus also works, my dear friends. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ICI, please take this mindset clearly out of your brain that ICI is responsible to give you a job. ICI is not responsible to give you a job. ICI is responsible to make you a chartered accountant after examination which they have done. It's just a facility that ICI is giving you an ICI campus. Please don't carry the MBA, IIM or MBA college mindset कि उनको मुझे नौकरी दिलाना ही पड़ेगी. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, if you feel about getting unemployed, always remember that any chartered accountant, have you seen is remaining unemployed for continuously 2 years or even 1 year? हमारा प्रॉब्लम दूसरा है. We want to work in a company of our choice, on our terms and conditions, our work-life balance definition, and on our salary. People are ready to hire chartered accountants, but chartered accountants are not ready to get hired. Yes or no? Further questions. Aptitude and psychometric test, हितेश, बहुत ऑनलाइन पोर्टल्स अवेलेबल हैं, किसी पे भी जाके देख लो. देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑनलाइन पोर्टल्स अवेलेबल विच विल गिव यू. टेक्निकल प्रिपरेशन के लिए लेट मी टेल यू, टेक्निकल प्रिपरेशन के लिए आई हैव दिस website which you have got all the free downloadable material. Just download it and read through. Everybody first of all should read this. ये वाले बेसिक सबको याद रखना चाहिए. दिस वन इज मस्ट डाउनलोड. अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स आता सबको है, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज दिस ऑल हैव दिस क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स. आई थिंक समबडी वाज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन है, आंसर नहीं है. आंसर भी है. बेसिक्स है 72-73 क्वेश्चंस. दीज आर ऑल बेसिक्स, मतलब एज गुड एज CA फाउंडेशन बेसिक्स इफ यू आस्क मी. And let me tell you, all the offshore accounting companies, the KPMG, KGS, Deloitte USI, EY, GDS, PwC, SDC, they ask all these basic questions first of all. Your fundamentals are not clear, then they won't take you. Okay, now Kartavya comes with a good question. What extra should I prepare if I am aiming for industry rather than Big Six? Preparation will not change. Preparation, आपने CA पढ़ा है करते हुए, you are a chartered accountant, they will ask you things related to your profession only and the work which you have done. If they have specific things, yes, when you go to industry, please study the job position first and know about the company. Correct? And for that you can use the AI tools very nicely. So for example, if I may say, just example, I am giving a small display. You can use it. I'll go to GPT. GPT users हो आप लोग? How many of you are using GPT regularly? GPT, Claude, any of them. I just simply write a prompt right now in front of all of you and understand the impact. Hi, I am going to appear for an interview for FP&A position for Hindustan Unilever Limited as a fresh chartered accountant. As a fresh chartered accountant for their corporate office. Please help me with the points which I need to understand about the company, as well as specific questions which may be asked from me regarding this position. ये लो, जीपीटी नहीं क्लॉड देगा, कोई ना कोई तो देगा. माय पॉइंट इज दिस. So they are giving you understanding the company, business segments, unique strengths, understanding the FMCG industry, major competitors, financial performance, FP&A role. आ रहा है समझ में? लो, case study based questions. That's how you go, Kartavya. Your name sounds really similar. Have we interacted before, Kartavya? I don't know, but your name sounded a lot similar to me. Oh, you're a November 22 batch student of mine. Arre, that's why. Ah ha ha. Yes. That's why. Chalo, good. Okay, Pratik has a question. Sorry if this might have been answered. No, this is a ask me anything question session, so you can ask. I want to join investment banking domain and I'm confused as to where to start interview prep from. Pratik, interview in investment banking, which companies are you aiming for? Let me know. You now write the name of the companies. So I'll give you the reality check of all those companies. What is the meaning of regional IBs? Name of the company. If you are planning for a JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, something like that. Boutique firms. So regional IBs is Avendus, Elara. So all these people will expect a lot from you. Okay, so I have got a small basic starter pack available here. Nothing to be sold. It's free. मेरे को आजकल बोलना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज एवरीबडी कम्स अप एंड आस्क कितने पैसे लगेंगे इस चीज के. भाई पैसों की बात ही नहीं है. मुझे सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज चाहिए वो है आपका टाइम. इफ यू आर रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम, नथिंग लाइक इट माय फ्रेंड. So in boutique firms, if you go and have a look at this, my friend, I'll show you interview based questions. Investment banking, you should go about this first of all. This document is there. Pratik, let this open up. Yellow. Download it. Free. और बोलो. Just go through it. This is going to be absolutely the main. Matlab, this has been compiled after years of asking questions from various people and from various sources. So you need to be very sorted on this कि इतना पढ़ लोगे तो काफी कुछ कवर हो जाएगा प्रतीक. नहीं I know it's now upon all of you to publicize these resources. All of you who are in session, they should come and tell कि boss sir करा. This is available. And if you are aware, people are charging money for all this. And not even 100 or 200, like thousands of rupees to sit through and listen to all this, what is available for free. Okay. Maitre. Is it Maitre Mittal only? Yes. Maitre, when you go into a bigger IB firm, so bigger IB firm already has a lot of set practices. So you will not be able to go and add some value there, or you will not be able to do multiple work there. But the best thing is they will have a very good work-life balance. They will pay you nicely and they will give you good office parties. They will make you not work a lot on Saturdays and Sundays. You will be able to make good amount of nice PPTs. But the problem is, ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाओगे. If you get into boutique firms, they may ask you to do one thing, two things, three things, five things. And that is the time to learn, Maitre. So, learning versus set processes. If you have a mindset that you have to explore and become better on a regular basis, first be in a boutique firm. Once you are trained by a boutique firm, then anyways a bigger firm will take you. I always go by this. Correct? So it would be better. Arpit, I think I have the FP&A material also, if I am not wrong. FP&A. Here are FP&A interview questions. This is FP&A. Roles, details, write-ups available. अभी सबको पढ़ना पड़ेगा mainly. How to tackle interview with weak English? Improve your English, Abhishek. Let me be very honest. मैं आपको sugar coated advice नहीं दे पाऊंगा. I am not made for that. Those students who have been with me, they know I talk straight. You have to work on that, and working on that is not a big thing. Abhishek, start speaking to yourself in front of the mirror. Listen, read English newspapers. That's a very boring advice, but that's the right advice. If you start reading in English, if you start listening to English a lot, slowly and gradually वो habit में आएगा. Shravya, it's a website. This all material is available for free download. www. My venture name degree to placements.com. English web series very helpful for developing vocabulary, and in that English web series I would recommend Suits. I really like Suits. Not Money Heist, not Narcos. If you want real good legal English, Suits. अरे I am a fan of Harvey. स्वैग है बंदे का. Lincoln Lawyer Gaurav I have not seen, so I cannot comment, but yes, Mike and Harvey I know. Sir, please describe what is a stat audit in the non-financial aspect and what's the future of it. I did not understand the questions. What do you mean to say by this particular question? Please describe what is a stat audit in non-financial aspect. Statutory audit is always in the financial aspect. You are commenting on the books of accounts and giving an opinion. I think you have not phrased your question properly. See, that's where the weakness starts coming in. Pratik, read Economic Times, my dear. Current affairs. I have got a session done by Neha Singh on my website. Neha Singh has worked with Sequoia Capital. So if you happen to see that video, that will help you. I'll show you the video. This is the video of Neha. Here it is. Breaking into investment banking. Here it is. Listen to this girl. She has worked for 5 years for Sequoia Capital. How it works. And then if you want more into equity research, advisory, then you have to listen to this particular lady. Equity research, investment banking, Parth Verma. Private equity and investment banking, Fareen Rangwala. Fareen got placed in PwC first, then she moved out, did her MBA, and then now she is an angel investor herself. She runs her own VC fund now. I'm so proud to say that she is my student. Abhi kya, you want ready-made something to be given by me in 2 lines or 30 seconds, which is not possible. These sessions, if I play any session like this, is not lesser than for, let's say, it will take almost kitna time lega, around 30 minutes, 1 hour session. So you need to understand those things with her. So it's a 1 hour 36 minute session. So you can hear her out. You will come to know what she is telling you about. Correct? Yes. Vaishnavi Metkar. While preparing CV, what are the things which you should be cautious about? Vaishnavi, in terms of keeping, first of all, don't lie in your CV. Numbers and quantification should be there. I have already got a session on CV drafting. If you would have you attend this? Is this your first session you are attending of mine, Vaishnavi? So just get hold of this particular website, Degree to Placements, or my YouTube channel. I have it on there. I'll just show you. CV drafting session is also there. So if you go through this will help you with the CV drafting ka. How to draft a perfect CV for chartered accountants. I got sessions on how to draft a CV, how to grow on LinkedIn, how to create a Naukri profile. All of them are there. Correct? Okay, after applying for a Big Four company, how many days we have to wait for a HR call? It purely, Anusha, depends upon multiple factors. It's not a simple puzzle. For example, HR will get your CV. they will get hundreds of CVs at the same time. Okay, they will speak to you, they will understand your preferences and location, because आप कुछ भी लिख के भेजो, they will again call you and ask you, and then your communication skills are checked primarily, and if your communication sounds good to them, then they will put it to the manager or partner, and then the manager will start looking at. Abhi the biggest challenge which we'll face is March is closing for all the companies clients, so most of the technical people would be busy, so they will pull out time somewhere or the other and then start getting to you. So they will ask you to appear for interviews. It may take 7 days to 17 days to 20 days to 30 days. I can't simply say because the vacancy is in which division, the technical partners and managers are available for interview or not, and how easily you are available. I have realized one big mistake done by many candidates. आज मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, आज मेरे घर पे पार्टी है, आज मेरे को नहीं, मैं कल करूँगा अच्छे से तैयारी करके. That means your chance is gone. Let me tell you that. So what's wrong if you are available for a 20-30 minute interview online? कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be available. Correct? Yes. Any more questions?
Hi, sir.
Yes, Ansh.
Yeah, so sir, I have very specific question. I have completed my articleship way before results in Feb, 1 month before the results. So I
Okay.
was, keep applying for, jobs and all. I've already decided which profile, which Big Four specifically. So, and even I'm getting calls as well. So
Great.
now I'm confused, whether to apply for the campus in the first place or not, because campus may first, second day, the CTC criteria is like 17 lakhs, 20 lakhs. So MNCs, PSUs, वो सब आएंगे. Big Four generally don't pay more than 14, 15. So वो लोग day 2, day 3 पे आएंगे. And off campus, I'm getting, calls, interviews and all that. So is there any point to even apply and sit for campus? Wait till April.
If you are satisfied where you want to work, you are getting a call, appear for the interviews. Abhi there is a month left right now from now before the ICI campus starts.
Correct, yes.
So 1 month is a big time. In the meanwhile, off campus, appear for interviews. See yourself that whether you are able to crack them or not.
Okay.
And if you crack them, and if they offer you a joining, and if it suits you, join. Because मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ, ICI campus को MBA college के campus की तरह मत देख के चलो. Because right now you said 17 lakh, 20 lakh. The shortlisting criteria is very tough for them. You might not be even picked up if you are not a first attempt on a Big Four or Big 6 articleship person for those 17 and 20 lakhs. That is a mirage. Let me tell you, be very clear. I don't know how many attempts did you take, which articleship exposure you have, so that's why I am saying. So don't take it in a wrong sense or a negative sense. But मैं reality बता रहा हूँ.
Got it.
If you want something, it's already available. Go for it. And
so
by the meanwhile, acha, see, if you have decided a profile, so then the money of others should not attract you. Let me tell you that.
Yeah, correct.
अभी अगर आपको किसी के 17-20 लाख दिख रहे हैं, वो काम क्या करवा रहे हैं ये भी तो देख लो. PSUs में you go and do routine work, you know that, at the salary of 20 lakhs. I can't name the person, but one of the rank holders, HPCL छोड़ के वापस उसने एक नॉर्मल कंपनी में जॉब ज्वाइन करा, बोले मेरे से नहीं हो रहा वो सब कुछ. I can't name the rank holder, but I am telling you. So क्या होता है अभी आप लोग, all the kids right now, you all are kids in terms of you, the first attraction is money. So you don't go beyond the experience, the overall learning. अभी initial 2 years are for learning. Chartered accountants come back, इतना पढ़ लिया और कितना सीखना है, बहुत सीखना है अभी हमको. We need to learn a lot. But the point is, you need to take your time. Okay, Ansh.
Got it. Yeah, sir. Got it. Got it. Thank you.
अभी सब बच्चों का यही होता है, पैसा खूब मिल रहा है, ज्वाइन कर लूं क्या? अरे बाबा, सिर्फ पैसा नहीं होएगा. आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर देयर इन द यस्टरडे सेशन और नॉट. आई सिंपली डिड अ कंपैरिजन, आई विल जस्ट शो यू. अभी ईवाई फॉर एग्जांपल, ईवाई इंडिया में आप जो अगर 12-14 लाख देंगे ना, तो ईवाई जीडीएस आपको 16 लाख देगी. ऑल द ऑफशोर यूनिट्स विल पे यू मोर. क्यों ज्यादा देते हैं? हैज एनीबडी थॉट टिल नाउ कि वो क्यों ज्यादा पे करते हैं हमको? ये कल के सेशन का वो है. आई विल जस्ट ओपन अप दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ये देखो, we had a detailed discussion yesterday. This, please refer this. BDO and BDO Rice are not same. PwC and PwC SDC, PwC AC are not same. Deloitte is not equal to Deloitte USI. On the right side, all of them are offshore accounting units. So what work they do? They audit foreign clients by having staff in India. This is not a client facing work. No Indian gaps will be used. This is back end work, and you will always get 1 or 1.5 lakh more than compared to the Indian big fours. क्यों देते हैं वो लोग पैसा? Because they hire, they get assignments in dollar, pound, euro, and they pay you in rupees, and they want you to pay more. Yes, GT Indore Arpit is again global. So what happens is they pay you so much money that you can't leave them. इसको वो बहुत अच्छे से बोला था गोल्डन हैंडकफ. सो गोल्डन हैंडकफ यही होता है, पैसे इतने ज्यादा दे दो कि छोड़ के ही नहीं जाएगा. बट व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर 1.5-2 years, you forget everything which is in your CA brain. Then you only realize the process, the software and things which are given by them. So then you remain there only. Yes. More questions, please. Hello. यार 1500 रुपए के लिए भी सोचोगे, 15 लाख की सैलरी लेने वाले बच्चे, तो मैं क्या ही बोलूंगा. I am seeing that this particular question coming, and why should I pay for 1 month? आपको पता है your overall seniority will count after few years. When you become FCA, you become FCA 1 year later. Correct? 1500 रुपया, not even equivalent to your coffee at Starbucks. इससे ज्यादा का केक खाया है अभी तुम्हारे घर वालों ने. अभी तुम्हारा जो वो ड्रेस आएगा वो 2000 का, 5000 का तो शर्ट आएगा. आई वॉज रियली सरप्राइज दैट चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स आर डिस्कसिंग 1500 रुपया. एंड होम यू आर पेइंग, जिसने आपको रिकॉग्निशन दिया, जिसने आपको डिग्री दी. कम ऑन गाइस. आपको पता है देयर आर सर्टेन, लाइक आई नो PwC एंड EY बोथ रिक्वायर और मेंबरशिप नंबर टू एम्प्लॉय यू. लेट मी टेल यू दैट. सो PwC तो बोल देगा, आपको करना ही पड़ेगा अगर आप PwC पहुंचते हो तो. फिर क्या करोगे? फिर देन एट दैट टाइम यू से आई विल अप्लाई आफ्टर 20 days. यहाँ बिकॉज 1500 रुपया. सो दे से बॉस वी आर गिविंग यू 12 lakh rupees एंड यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 1500, 1500. ग्रो अप गाइस. More questions, please. Arey, none of the employer reimburses, yaar. Come on. This is not the right approach. This is about sweating about the small stuff. Okay, how to apply for off campus? Yes. Number 1, I am one of the sources of off campus. I circulate you the form. I am circulating the EY vacancy form. So please fill that up. Directly you will be getting interviewed and applied. Correct? So you can go through that. You can apply to the careers page also. Correct? And if you have got certain seniors in referral, please understand, सब जने आपका भी CV मांगेंगे. Everybody will seek your CV. Has that happened? Has your senior reached out to you? Congratulations, bhai. If you want to get placed, give me your CV. I will apply. Has this happened? Give me a yes or no. Kartavya says yes. Now I'll tell you why. Why your senior is so keen to apply you. It gives them referral bonus. But the flip side to it is, let me tell you that. It gives them referral bonus. Yes. He will upload your CV and forget, because the moment your CV gets uploaded, it gets into a database. Okay. Now he is busy in his daily routine. He cannot ask and line up your interview. That is the duty of HR. So HR will screen and understand, and which HR picks up. You want to go into stat audit and the tax HR picks up, they will reject. You want to go into fraud and forensics and statutory audit HR picks up, you are gone. And your friend cannot do anything on that because it gets into the central database. So what's the difference? If you apply through my Google form, we specifically ask you which field you want to aim for. We will apply in that particular category only. So the same and specific HR will look at your CV. That is what will happen. Understood? So be very particular, be very cautious on all this. Okay. Seems questions खत्म हो गए हैं. Okay, I didn't fill that form because it was for EY specifically. Yes, Kartavya, that is for EY specifically. I am not saying giving wrong this. So similarly, PwC, Deloitte and KPMG vacancies also come in. So as and when they come in, then we ask a specific question also, that are you okay that if we share your CV with others? So if you say yes, then we can use your CV. Otherwise, you don't use your CV. Okay, Maitra has a question. What are the some things we need to take care while giving HR non-technical round as opposed to technical interview? They ask your basic questions. यहाँ HR round उतना typical होता नहीं है जितना बाकी companies में होता है. Let me be very clear here. If the technical is clear, HR becomes a formality. They roll out the offer to you and they tell you that these are the terms and conditions. So and they ask you to sign your offer letter. तो वो होता है, but otherwise they don't ask many more questions. वो जैसे आप लोगों को कई बार आप normal, if you search the websites you will find ना, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Progressing and contributing to the organization and growing with the organization. As simple as that. Next thing is, can we negotiate salaries? No, you cannot negotiate salaries because fresher level band is fixed. हाँ अविनाश, मैं वही आंसर दे रहा हूँ आपके क्वेश्चन जो आया. ये एक और इम्प्रेशन है, फॉल्स इम्प्रेशन. फ्रेशर्स बैंड्स आर ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड. वन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, अनदर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, उसको 50,000 लाख एक्स्ट्रा देंगे, तुमको कम देंगे, देन द पैरिटी गेट्स डिस्टर्ब्ड एट द एंट्री लेवल. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होता. द डिफरेंस ओनली कम्स इन इफ यू हैव अ बिग 4 आर्टिकलशिप और अ बिग 6 आर्टिकलशिप. दे विल गिव यू सम 50,000 और 1 लाख रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा. Correct. Otherwise, a joining bonus comes in for rankers, which is a one time. So joining bonus is a one time thing, ताकि आपके रैंक और आपके अचीवमेंट को अप्रिशिएट किया once. आगे के लिए then you have to perform and get yourself appraised every year. In many forms there is a column of expected CTC. There you have to say as per industry norms or as per the company norms. This will come in ICI campus. बहुत सारे लोग ICI campus में बहुत बड़ा बड़ा अमाउंट लिख के आ जाते हैं. So that should not happen, because that creates a problem. No, Rishikesh Kalaria. Good question. If you join a global firm, will you be able to go abroad? Strictly no. Why? If you join a global firm, they are getting a foreign client audited in India by hiring you. Why will they send you abroad? Tell me. If somebody is hiring you and paying you Indian rupees, which I said some time back, ये भी मैंने, see, this is open up also. This is the red arrow. From India business you can go to global, but from global you cannot come to India. The red arrows, please look at this. From India business you can go to global, but from global you cannot come to India, because India business demands more rigor. What PSU करने से कुछ नहीं होगा खुशबू. First of all, what job profile you are getting in that public sector undertaking, and are you suitable for that? Do you like that profile? Think on those lines. मेरे से मैं वन लाइनर मांग के क्या होगा खुशबू बेटा? They would have given you a job description of finance trainee. Understand that. How your day would be in the office. Ask that. Then you will get something. अरे इसका क्या होगा? Just don't simply look at the CTC figure. I know where it is coming from. PSUs offer good CTC, and then people start using those things which they did not use in CA degree. Certain eligibility quotas, certain reservation quotas to get into PSUs. अपन टैलेंट वाले लोग हैं, पहले ये चेक करो, आर यू हैप्पी विद दैट पोजीशन और नॉट. And just a finance trainee, the finance trainee, again, in the finance department there are so many things, where they are putting you, what they are asking you to do. That is what is more important. Okay Shruti, if you are late, don't worry, we have recorded it. You are not late, you are very late, you are almost at the end of the session. What doubt I missed out, Meet Modi? Please can you reshare it on the chat box so that we can complete it. What about the credit manager profile in nationalized or private bank? It's a good profile if you are good at churning numbers, if you are good at understanding all this, because loans, banking, financial services are on rise. Credit manager profile is something which is suited for chartered accountants. This is my yesterday's session discussion. See, this I discussed about banks. If you see, I said relationship management and operations is something which can be done by non-CAs also, but CAs are mainly meant for credit profiles. So there you can do credit appraisal, understand business finance, home loans, loans against property, where your CA brain will be used. But if you go into relationship manager, then you need to bring business, get some more accounts, different aspects will have. I hope I have been able to make things clear to you, Meet. It's a good thing to take a credit appraisal and a credit person's job. Should not be a problem. Shruti Rai, don't worry. Have you cleared your finals? Tell me that first of all. You become a CA now? In the meanwhile, Kshitij has a question that I have got an offer from KPMG in financial services. Should I join or wait? You are a first attempt guy. You got a good score. You can simply take their offer letter and clearly tell that I am also exploring further opportunities and buy some time. Because anybody taking your interview right now will ask you to join before ICI campus. So Shruti, this session is not for you. I am talking to all the chartered accountants here. Our session will be on 15th for articleship, how to grab an articleship. So as of now, I don't think it's the right podium and the forum to answer your question. Kshitij, you can wait and you can look for further opportunities also. What I think. See, you all need to develop this skill कि एक interview हो गया है, वहाँ पे selection हो गया है, and then another is lined up. This delicate handling you need to understand because this will happen. वो temptation रहेगा आखिरी तक आपको कि ये offer ले लूँ, वो offer ले लूँ. So you need to understand and give the proper reasons to handle this situation. And if you find the job nice, और तुमको लगता है मुझे ये कर लेना चाहिए, then join it. See, at the end आप भले 5 ऑफर ले लो, ज्वाइन तो एक ही करोगे. तो वो जो कर रहे हो उस पर आप क्वेश्चंस खूब पूछो ना एचआर से. आई एम कीन ऑन दिस बट लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट माय डे टू डे वर्क विल बी, हाउ विल आई स्पेंड माय डे इन द ऑफिस, व्हाट विल बी माय ड्यूटीज, व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ मी. ये थोड़ा ज्यादा पूछो, समझो. 50,000 लाख कम ज्यादा चलेगा. Point is you should be happy at work. Okay. So I think it's time. We decided for a 1.5 hour session. We are almost coming to that. Can I ask you one simple request? You've got around like good amount of people on the session in the groups, but many of them are not coming and joining these sessions. So if you can ask them and force them by putting up a feedback, putting up a comment that how the session was there, did you get some clarity? थोड़ा ज़्यादा nice session, good session करके छोड़ने का नहीं है. So you need to go and put a proper feedback on the session so that people come to know that yes, we are talking some sense here. Correct? So if you can do it right now, nothing like it, because जितना अभी अभी बोलोगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Otherwise you can put it across as per your convenience. Tomorrow we'll be interacting with one of the persons from EY to understand how statutory audit works. Now the biggest challenge is tomorrow is World Cup final. हाँ. So I am just trying to figure out क्या करें. Being a Sunday, कल रखें नहीं रखें, you give me the feedback. And the timings will be in the evening only. 6 बजे से 7:30 बजे तक the match will start. And tomorrow is Rang Panchami also. So even I am worried. Settle कर लो. अरे मेरा खुद का क्रिकेट लाइकिंग बहुत है भाई. इसीलिए जिस दिन डेट डिसाइड करी थी तो मेरे को नहीं पता था ना इंडिया विल मेक इट. नाउ द ओनली कर्स वी आर फेसिंग इज इट्स इन अहमदाबाद, विच शुड नॉट हैपन. आई वांट टू बी ऑन द विनिंग साइड. ये चुप कर करते हुए आरसीबी 2 बार लड़कियां जीती 1 बजे. विल टेक दिस बैंटर समथिंग सेपरेटली. ओके, यहाँ पे बेचारे बाकी सब नाराज हो जाएंगे, बोले क्या बात चालू हो गई. अभी 18 साल का मेजर हो गया तो एक तो देना पड़ता है ना लॉलीपॉप. दे दिया हमने आरसीबी को, ठीक है. So I am on second thoughts. Let me put a poll tomorrow in the group कि कल करना है या कब करते हैं, and then we'll decide. Okay? If you want to be postponed, let's take it on a different day. Okay? ठीक है. Thank you very much बच्चों. I just would request you to put a good feedback on the group that how was the session, which will help others to join more and more sessions. Thank you very much. God bless all of you. Sleep well. You are a chartered accountant. Nobody can take away your degree now. Okay? God bless. Maitreya, put it on the group that you loved the session with some more detail. Oh, great. चलिए. यस खत्री जी, यू हैव समथिंग टू से. यस खत्री जी, पूछिए. No, you can be very honest, Hitesh. The situation which you have mentioned, you can be very honest, and honesty will be rewarded. Let me tell you that. So be very honest, be very clear, Hitesh. And if there is a specific issue, let me know. I'll help you out on this. Be very honest with transparent with them. हाँ, ये बात बता देता हूँ. Don't lie to them. बस. If you lie, background verification में सब चेक हो जाता है. इसलिए मत छेड़ना. And it's a very normal thing to happen. And it's a very respectable thing कि ठीक है, we respect that you are clear and upfront on all these things. I hope you are better now. As you said that you are fit. Great. तो जल्दी से आके मिठाई खिला दे अब मेरे को. मिल ही लेना. God bless you बेटा. Take care of yourself. चलिए. Okay. Thank you very much बच्चों. Bye bye.